Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 65, work and energy. Jigyasa Didi, when do we say that some work has been done by a force? Gyan, scientifically, the concept of work done is quite different from how we perceive it in daily life. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes changes in the state of rest or motion of the object. So, processes like reading, writing, thinking, analyzing are not considered as work scientifically. The required condition for work done: force should be applied on a body. B. Body should be displaced. If any of these conditions does not exist, work is not done. Example where work does not happen: applying a force on a wall which won't move, a student standing with bag on his shoulder, watching a movie, talking, etc. Mathematical expression for work done by a force. Work done by a force is denoted by W. The work done by a force is equal to the product of force applied on an object and displacement of the object. In the direction of force, work done is equal to force into displacement, यानी W is equal to F into S. यानी अगर S जीरो होगा तो वर्क डन भी जीरो हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसमें F की हम जीरो से, तो कुछ डिस्प्लेसमेंट होना जरूरी है. व्हेन फोर्स इज एक्टिंग ऑब्लिकली ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट, इट कैन बी रिटन एज W इज इक्वल टू FS cos थीटा. यानी कोई एंगल से अगर होगा फोर्स अप्लाइड तो इस तरह से लिखा जाएगा. वर्क डन इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी, हैव मैग्नीट्यूड एंड नो डायरेक्शन. इसमें डायरेक्शन नहीं बताई जाती. यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू न्यूटन, मीटर और जूल. 1 joule of work is said to be done on an object when a force of 1 Newton displaces it by 1 meter along the line of action of the force. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Negative, positive and zero work done. Work done is said to be positive when the direction of motion produced in an object is same as the direction of force applied. Example, a child pulling a car, an iron object attracted towards a magnet, etc. Work done is said to be negative when the direction of motion of the object is opposite to the direction of application of the force. Minus F into S or F into minus S. Example, apply brakes in a moving car. A goalkeeper is stopping a ball to avoid goal. Work done is said to be zero when there is no motion in the object or the force acts at right angle perpendicular to the direction of motion. Example, a satellite moving around Earth. Porter carrying load on head. Check yourself. Define work done or 1 joule of work. Work done. The work done on a body is equal to the product of the force applied on it and the distance traveled by it in the direction of the force. 1 joule is the amount of work done by a force of 1 Newton on an object that displaces it through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of the applied force. Question number 2. What are the conditions for work done by an object? Force should be applied on an object. An object must be displaced. If none of these conditions are met, then the work is not done. Question number 3. A load is pulled using a force of 5 Newton to a displacement of 2 meter. Calculate the work done. Work is equal to force into displacement in the direction of force. So work is equal to 5N into 2M is equal to 10 Nm is equal to 10 joule. Yani hence the work desired is 10 joule. Question number 4. Write example of each positive, negative and zero work done from your daily life. तो पॉजिटिव के हम लिख सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, अ चाइल्ड पुलिंग ए कार, एन आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स ए मैग्नेट, एटसेट्रा. नेगेटिव को लिख सकते हैं, अप्लाई ब्रेक्स इन मूविंग कार, अ गोलकीपर स्टॉपिंग ए बॉल टू अवॉइड गोल. और जीरो को लिख सकते हैं हम, जीरो वर्क. और सैटेलाइट मूविंग अराउंड अर्थ और पोर्टर कैरिंग लोड ऑन हेड. राइट यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन. So unit of work done, you can write joule. Unit of work is joule. It is represented as J. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter.